Welcome to our online spoken English team. There are available three types of courses: basic, tenses, advanced courses. If you want to join this class, please first install Zoom and Google Meet application, then after join this class and follow same process. Then after you will able to take this class with some students, boy and girls, but the group of boy is other and the group of girl is other. Then after, if you miss this class any day, you can get the PDF or video of the lesson. This class is going to start on 1st November 2023. With this course, you can learn more something. Please contact via WhatsApp for admission.